Here's how to return an item on Walmart.com. First, open up any web browser and head over to Walmart.com. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. From here, locate the option of Purchase History. Now find the order you want to return, then tap on View Details. Here select Start a Return. Now choose the item you want to return. Next, select your preferred return method, return in store or return by mail. If you choose return in store, Walmart will generate a return barcode. Bring the barcode and the item to the customer service desk at your local Walmart. If you choose return by mail, Walmart will provide a prepaid return label. Print the label, securely package the item, attach the label and drop it off with the designated shipping carrier. Once Walmart receives and processes your return, your refund will be issued according to your original payment method. And that's it. That's how you can return a Walmart online order. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.